Lots of goodies for the cars. So we've got Jess's Cressida in here. Yes, we need to do our first oil change. That's a reminder. She had troubles in third gear. Started to slip the clutch a little bit, so I've started pulling some stuff apart. We might even be swapping gearboxes. This one's a W58, which has, I suppose you could say, longer gear ratios, first, second and third. And I have a W56, which is pretty well the same gearbox, just out of a Hilux. It has shorter first, second, third gears. So to save changing the diff ratio, we'll swap that out, put a new clutch in, and hopefully keep going. First time up on the hoist after a couple of events, so you should double check over a couple of things while it's here. A little bit of an oil leak. We'll inspect that further once the gearbox is out, I suppose. Everything else looks pretty good. Maybe a new seal on the back there. Yep. Everything looks good. Yeah. Not meant to be that colour. What the heck? It's special. Oh dear. Just took this bolt out. Water started dribbling out of it, which possibly could explain the colour of this oil. Weird things are happening. Sometimes it's the only thing that works. Solid engine mounts mean no movement. Hitting on the firewall. I'll tilt the engine now. Think I'm winning. But yeah. Smells like stinky clutch. Looks kind of special though. Oh, maybe not special enough. Well, you can see all the hot spots on that. Time for a new package there. I thought while we got the gearbox out, might swap them over. So this is the one that came out of the car, W58. And this is a W56, which we scored at a swap meet. These have a shorter first, second and third ratio, which might be a little bit better for the power band of the 1G. It'll save us changing the diff. This is out. May as well swap it over. All we've got to do is swap the bell housings over and the shifter housings, and we should be good. So you can see the differences there from the housings. We've actually got to change this little rod there. This one goes forward, this one goes back. So we changed our mind. We've gone back to the W58 because the close ratio is going to swap diff. This is actually from our Supra, which is now minus a diff. But the Supras have a better diff ratio to suit the Cressida. So we'll swap it over. What's the diff, you ask? Ha ha ha.
Oh, that's a dad joke.
There's 43 teeth here on the Supra diff on the crown wheel. There's 43 teeth on the Cressida diff on the crown wheel. But the pinion gear on the Cressida has 11 teeth. And on the Supra, it has 10. So we've got to swap pinion gears. It's a good rattle gun. Should we replace that seal? Bit yucky. Be nice to replace that seal. There we go. 1:4:3 ratio Cressida diff. Just got to chuck that one back up into the Supra. A little bit exciting. This is the first special clutch we've ever had. Would you look at that? Looks good. All the other bits. Nice. Quick wipe down with some thinners. Get rid of any of the oil residue from machining. Nice. Turns out that clip's a little bit different. Right here. Hold on. Yeah. Bit of mucking around, I got the spring swapped. Now I should work on the clutch foot. That's better. Clutch is done, gearbox back in, tail shaft in, exhaust on. Quick oil change and oil filter change, and then we'll see what it feels like. Hell yeah.